The Jodi Arias jury has spoken, and now they have spoken to the only network that showed you the entire trial, taking us inside the jury room, inside the evidence, and inside their verdicts. And tonight, we'll hear more from the jury as they talk to our in-studio jury. In studio tonight, two of our own experts, criminal defense attorneys Esther Panitch and Kirby Clements. And we're just trying to connect up with the studio out there in Arizona. But what a great question. It's like an SAT question. You can tell that number 10 was paying attention, Esther.
Absolutely. All the jurors were paying attention. The questions they asked were so insightful, and they asked things that we didn't all think about, and some things that we did think about, and that we were just happy they were asked, because we know that the jurors heard them. These jurors gave 5 months of their life to this decision, and they should be applauded, as you did before. They should be
literally applauded the jury.
Them.
HLN After Dark applauded the jury literally, and not just for doing the job that they did. And you know, it doesn't have to do with the verdict. It has to do with doing your civic job.
Although there are people who are now criticizing them for not coming up with a final verdict, and they should not be criticized. They did come up with a final verdict.
If they do, they're meatballs,
not unanimous.
Right? I think the judge already told us those are meatballs.
Absolutely.
Let's do this. All right, Esther Panitch is with us. Esther, you have a question.
I do. Carol, thank you for your service. Carol, there's no doubt that Jodi was a raging narcissist. But was there anything that the defense could have done to help her that they didn't do?
I thought they really did a good job. I can't think of anything that I felt was missing.
Thank you. Carol, did you like Jodi more or less after her 18 days on the stand?
You know, I can't say that made a big difference to me, even though she was sitting pretty close to me. But she's just not a warm person. She doesn't display that at all.
Thanks to our jury, Darren Cavadoki, Esther Panitch, Kirby Clements, and Judge Larry. That's it for HLN After Dark.